Started in Livermore, California, moved to Pryor, Oklahoma, made here right in the heartland of the United States. They are the largest bandsaw manufacturer in the United States. They make superb bandsaws. We have a comprehensive line of HEM saw parts. HEM saw can be a little bit confusing ordering parts because they make so many machines and there are so many custom machines. There's a lot of technical support that goes into getting the parts that are not standard. But when you start getting the electrical and the hydraulic valves, we have the know-how and can put those parts in your hands. That's going to take a phone call to customer service. Since HEM saw manufactures such a wide variety of machines and they make so many custom machines, it's important that we get that serial number to make sure we get the right part in your hands. We are price advantageous on the HEM saws. Because we sell aftermarket parts, they're already marked down 7 to 12%. If that customer buys between $500 and $2,000 in blades, they can get up to a 20% additional discount on the HEM saw parts.